Is Discovery Plus down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Discovery Plus right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. I already went on Twitter and searched for Discovery Plus down. So if you type this, you will see at latest that people are complaining with Discovery Plus. Um, so you are not the only one who has problems with it. Many says that it gets an error with something went wrong. Please try again later, or you just can't log in. Well, you just have to wait until they fix this problem. Unfortunately, there is nothing you can do to fix it yourself. So if you do have issues with it, you can comment in the comment section down below with your questions. You can like this video if it was useful, and you can subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.